There are 7 big changes coming to Social Security by 2024. You're not going to want to miss these changes. As you can see here, number 6, it'll be incrementally tougher to qualify for Social Security benefit. Also, number 7 here, there's a greater likelihood of being taxed on some portion of your Social Security benefit. So I'm going to go over this article, let you know the changes that you could expect coming in 2024. Now that the new COLA announcement has been made, a lot of numbers are being changed and a lot of new numbers are going to be official for 2024, which comes with some changes. So I'm going to let you know those 7 changes and give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates, bills, proposals, increases, decreases. And this video is sponsored by my company, Wise Sense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, I can help you out by removing negative items and a few other things. Got a link down in the description below. Contact me for more info. All right, let's get into it here. 7 must-know changes to Social Security in 2024. So let me just dive right into these changes. From monthly Social Security checks to what workers may owe in payroll tax, big changes are on the way for America's top retirement program. So we all know the news came out talking about 3.2% COLA, which is official now, but let's talk about it. Number 1, an above average cost of living adjustment is on the way. So 3.2% COLA is the official number there. So it's going to change a few different things compared to the average annual 2.6% over 20 years. 3.2% is above average. But let me know your thoughts. With your current lifestyle, where you're getting food, how much rent you're paying, utilities, all that, is the 3.2% going to help? Let me know your thoughts on that down in the comments below. All right, number 2, high earning workers will owe more in 2024. A second near annual Social Security change worth noting is the increase in the maximum taxable earnings cap, for 2024. The 12.4% payroll tax on earned income, wages, and salary, not investment income, accounts for 90% of the revenue the SSA collects each year. This year, all earned income between 1 cent and $160,200 is subject to the payroll tax, while any earned income above this upper bound, known as the maximum taxable earnings cap, is exempt from the payroll tax. Next year, maximum taxable earnings cap will rise by $8,400 to $168,600. So since 94% of working Americans are expected to earn less than $160,000 and are paying into the program every dollar they earn, increasing this cap only affects 6% of high income workers. So that means only 6% of the people are going to be affected by this. Meanwhile, President Biden spoke about raising it up to $400,000. That has not happened at all throughout his entire presidency, nor has he even spoken about it. That was his campaign promise. Anyways, number 3, a larger maximum monthly payout awaits the rich. So the trade-offs for high earners is that their potential reward during retirement could be a bit juicier. More specifically, the maximum monthly payout at full retirement age, the age at which you become eligible to receive 100% of your worker retired benefit, is set to climb once again in 2024. So this year, the most a beneficiary could expect to receive each year at their full retirement age is $3,627. In 2024, workers retiring at their full retirement age can take up to $3,822 per month, which represents a $195 per month boost. Only 2% of Social Security beneficiaries meet the qualifications to receive this maximum payout, which includes working at least 35 years, waiting until full retirement age to claim benefits, and achieving or surpassing the maximal taxable earnings cap in all 35 years is taken into consideration. So usually the rich people, the top 2% of our country, are going to get those higher payouts. Number 4, withholding thresholds for early filers are climbing. As of the end of 2021, 65% of retired workers had claimed their claimed their payout prior to reaching full retirement age. Early filers receive a permanently reduced monthly benefit, and they may be exposed to other penalties such as retirement earnings test. The retirement earnings test allows the SSA to withhold some or all of retirees' benefits if they earn above preset thresholds. These thresholds differ dramatically depending on whether or not you'll hit your full retirement age. For early filers, to set their full retirement age in 2023, the SSA can withhold $1 in benefits for every $3 in earned income beyond $56,520. As of 2024, withholding threshold is rising to $59,520, which is $4,960 per month. Note that the retirement earnings test is no longer applicable once you reach full retirement age. All right, number 5. Income thresholds for workers with disabilities are increasing. Early filers aren't the only group of Social Security beneficiaries who will be allowed to earn more without having their benefits withheld. The program's nearly 7.5 million workers with disabilities will be able to generate more monthly income next year without seeing their long-term benefits stopped. For instance, non-blind workers with disabilities are allowed to generate $1,470 per month in earned income this year without having their Social Security disability income halted. Next year, the disability income threshold for non-blind is increasing to $1,550 per month. For blind workers with disabilities, the allowable income threshold is considerably higher, $2,460 per month in 2023. Beginning in 2024, that's going to go up to $2,590 each month. So that's for disability and blind workers. Number 6. Excuse me. It'll be incrementally tougher to qualify for a Social Security benefit. Despite what you may have read on the internet or heard in passing, Social Security benefits aren't a birthright for an American citizen. The vast majority of Americans will earn their right to receive a retired worker benefit as well as disability or survivor benefit coverage throughout their work history. To qualify for a Social Security benefit, workers must receive 40 lifetime work credits. These credits are doled out based on your earned income, and no more than 4 credits can be earned in a given year. The good news is that the bar is set quite low to qualify for Social Security retirement benefit. In 2023, each work credit equates to $1,640 in earned income. In other words, $6,560 in earned income will max out the 4 credits that can be received this year. In 2024, it'll be slightly tougher to earn work credits. Beginning next year, it'll take $1,730 in earned income to qualify for a single work credit and $6,920 to receive the maximum of four for the year. So if we take a look, you can see the chart here. This is, wow, went up a lot. All right, number 7. There's a greater likelihood of being taxed on some portion of your Social Security benefits. The 7th and final must-know Social Security change in 2024 isn't something you're going to find on the SSA's fact sheet. Rather, it's part of an ongoing shift that impacts more retirees each year. All right, so in 1983, the last major overhaul of Social Security was signed into law. In addition to gradually increasing payroll taxation and the full retirement age, the Social Security amendments of 1983 introduced the taxation of benefits. This law allows up to 50% of Social Security benefits to be taxed at the federal rates when a person's provisional income surpasses $25,000 or $32,000 for couples jointly filing. In 1993, a second taxation tier was added. Single filers whose provisional income tops $34,000 or couples filing jointly $44,000 can see up to 85% of their benefits taxed at federal rates. Although these provisional income thresholds were set 40 to 30 years ago, respectively, they've not once been adjusted for inflation. As COLAs have increased payouts over time, the likelihood of retirees having at least some portion of their Social Security check exposed to taxation has steadily grown. With payouts set to jump another 3.2% in 2024, it's pretty safe to assume that more recipients than ever will owe tax on their benefits. If anything, taxes should be completely cut from Social Security benefits. There are a few bills in Congress talking about the double taxation of Social Security and removing it altogether. So those are the 7 changes that are coming in 2024. Let me know your thoughts on them. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day, and what I was gonna say is just enjoy the moments right now. Don't be like maybe, don't be like maybe I'm not good for this. Just do it. Something, if you want to do it, then you can, because it's just a one-time thing, because you should always do something now than always later, because then it might not be the right time and it might not be the right ending. You might have like people or like
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support. If you want to see the 12 states where people living in those states are at risk of losing some of their Social Security check, you're going to want to click this video right up here as I'll go over those 12 states who can lose some of their Social Security check. So click that video now and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.